Welcome to Yes You Can channel. If you want to turn on your digital speedometer on and off for your Peugeot 208 GTI, then stay tuned and I will give you a tutorial how to do this. This is where you need to focus. So what I want you to do is hold down that spanner button. I'm gonna put an arrow right now. Whilst holding this button down, on the left hand side, which is this button, I'm going to put an arrow, flick through it, and you will see a digital speedometer option to switch off on or off the miles per hour / kilometers. So remember guys, remember to hold the spanner button down whilst you press the left button to flick through the options to switch on and off the digital speedometer. Can you please comment below if this video tutorial has helped you, and please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please check out my other videos too, and feel free to buy me a coffee.